Okay guys, I'm back with the next opening. If you see my last video, I pulled this Kurt Warner rookie auto buyback, basically. Pretty cool, nice signature. Could have been worse, I guess. But if you've seen the title, I'm opening up the Panini 2016 Super Bowl 50 private signing black box, I believe is the name. Basically, there's going to be one autograph um in a magnetic, some top loader. Pretty sure it's a magnetic. Basically just a plain box. Says Panini America on it. Panini at the top. Panini stickers on the side. The card's gonna be right here when I open it. I've seen like one or two other openings. The latest one was, I think, by TC Cards. I don't know how I should do it. There's no way to slow roll it. How can I do this? I'm just gonna do it like this. Okay, it's a rookie. Anyway, I can flip it out. Seeing it. Okay, there we go. Up like this. Oh, that's a jet. Damn it, I thought it was. Oh wow. I'm kind of happy. Devin Smith, number 7 out of 10. I thought it was a Titan helmet at first. Devin Smith, 7 out of 10, rookie. Guess I'm happy because he's a former Buckeye. But he can't stay healthy. Can't stay on the field. I guess I'm pretty happy. I mean, I'm going to end up keeping it, so low numbered Buckeye hit. I didn't even know he was in here. That's pretty cool, actually. Smith collected a Big Ten leading 12 touchdown catches during his senior season at Ohio State in 2014. So it was just a matter of time until the Jets' second-round pick hit pay dirt in the pros in a Week 12 win over the Giants. The rookie wheeled in a 16-yard pass from quarterback Ryan Fitzpatrick. That's it. It was 2015 highlights. 115 receiving yards, 9 catches. It's not good. He needs to step it up. Yeah, Devin Smith, rookie auto, 7 out of 10. I didn't have any of his autographs in a Jets uni. That's cool. I would put it up. Actually, I might put it up here. I'll get another stand. Probably put it right here. He's one of my favorite Ohio State receivers. So that's it for this video, guys. Last video I'm going to end up uploading is the unparalleled box, which I'm going to record right now. So stay tuned till next time. Peace. Hopefully I pull a Zeke or Dak.